In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix login error on Snapchat. Let's get started. First up, ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, tap the forget password option and follow the steps to reset it. Next, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is network related. You can also enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. In case you are using VPN, you will need to disable it, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with Snapchat's login process. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So navigate to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Snapchat. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. So close this, launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next up, you can try using the web version of Snapchat if you're having issues in the app. So close this, launch your preferred browser, type in snapchat.com, head over to its official website. Now from here, try to log in. If the solution didn't work out for you, there might be a server outage within Snapchat. In that case, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.